Do you like pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
How do you start your day?
I drink coffee and read the news.
Do you enjoy spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I eat salad and chicken.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink at least 2 liters a day.
What is your favorite store?
I like the local market.
Is your brother here?
No, he is not here.
Do you live with family?
Yes, with my parents now.
Are you the oldest child?
No, I am the middle child.
Can you cook well?
I can make simple dishes.
How much is this meal?
It costs $12 only.
Is it raining outside today?
Yes, it's raining very hard.
Do you like snow weather?
Yes, I love the snow.
What sports do you play?
I play tennis and basketball.
What time is the lunch break?
It's at 12:30.
Where did you study before?
I studied at London University.
What is your favorite movie?
Oh, I like comedies.
Where would you like to go next?
I'd like to visit Italy.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on January 1st.
Do you like to plan your day?
Yes, I like to organize my tasks.
What makes you happy in daily life?
Spending time with family and friends.
When do we leave?
We'll go a little later.
How often do you read books?
I read almost every day.
When will they come?
They will come at night.
Do you like to stay up late?
No, I go to bed early.
How are you today?
I am doing well, thank you.
Did you sleep good last night?
Yes, I slept well.
What are your plans for today?
I have work to do and some calls.
What are you reading?
I am reading a novel.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee.
Where are you going?
I'm going for a walk.
Do you like painting?
Yes, a little.
What happened?
I lost my wallet.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
Who is coming?
My grandparents.
Do you know him?
Yes, he is my neighbor.
How do you feel?
I feel much better, thanks.
What's your phone number?
It's 456325.
Who is calling?
It's my sister.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Is this your car?
No, it's not mine.
How do you relax after work?
I watch TV or listen to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Where are you going for vacation?
I am going to China.
When did you start your job?
I started my job last week.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Do you work on a computer daily?
Yes, I work on it every day.
How do you spend holidays?
I travel or rest at home.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
How often do you clean your home?
I clean it twice a week.